Daddy took the cupboards because we cannot watch out the fridge.
Thanks, baby.
It's supposed to be attached in that cupboard there. Hindi kasi ma-fit yung fridge kaya tinanggal. So yan, i-ano na lang namin, tanggalin namin yan. Maliit lang kasing kitchen namin, so ito yung cupboards, not cupboards, pantry ay yung tawag dito. Ano ba sa Tagalog? Hindi, aparador ba? Kaya maglilinis din ako ng fridge.
Take this one.
That is the like a wall, right?
That used to go here.
Ah, I see.
That. And then that other box, they would go between, fixed
I
between.
see. Can't.
But because the fridge is too wide, we had to take it off.
It's
a wider fridge for the
Yeah.
cavity, the space.
The space is wide, the fridge, so that's why it can't fit.
Yeah.
I see. All good.
It's the fridge's fault.
No, I love this fridge. It's been couple years now.
It's a good one, yeah.
Yeah.
Just before we moved out of here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Into this, we moved into this house.
Yes.
The old fridge just died. But this has been good.
I need
An
to
LG.
clean and organize, decluttering the fridge sometime. Hi guys! Kamusta po kayo? Lahat ng mga viewers dyan. First and foremost, I would like to thank everyone na sa walang sawang panonood sa channel na ito at pagsusupport po sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. In today's video, I would like to show you guys how I clean our fridge. This fridge, we had this for a couple years already now. So we had this since before we moved here in our house. Kasi yung fridge namin is talagang bumigay na, kaya kailangan na namin palitan ng bago. So binili namin ito dahil itong, I know, medyo may kamahalan din, pero it will last more than, you know, long time. Yung anak ko nag-iingay na. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung paano yung sa loob ng fridge namin. Wala pa kaming daanan ng food ngayon kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-shopping. So, okay guys, ipakita ko po sa inyo how I clean my fridge. So by using this vinegar and lemon, just mix them together. And then I have a cloth here to wipe out. This is inside only because I'm using a non-toxic one because of course, you know, food inside, so we don't wanna having like a chemical products. So as much as possible, I would like to use a non-toxic one. And this one is multi-purpose cleaner, and this is for the outside. So guys, I'm gonna take out this I don't know what do you call this? Shelves. 3 shelves to wash in the sink. So I wash it with a soapy water. Okay, it's quite heavy. Hi guys, kung napapansin niyo po yung itsura ko iba yung kahapon dahil nag-film po ako ng 2 days at may nangyari po kahapon talagang na-stop ko yung pag-film dahil yung camera namin is na-drop dun sa bowl na may halong vinegar at lemon na yun ang gagamitin ko paglilinis dito sa loob ng fridge namin. So, nagalaw ng aming bunso si David. So, it was an accident talagang hindi namin naasahan na ganun ang mangyari. So, we have to go to the shop where we bought that camera just to have fix or kung meron bang warranty. So, suggest nila na magka-cover daw sa aming insurance sa aming house. So, yeah. So, tinawagan ni Tim, kaya lang nag-close na yung business hours nila. So, Tim's gonna call today after his internship at church. So when he gets home or when he's on his break, he's gonna call the cover insurance sa aming house para ma-cover din yung camera na kung hindi ma-fix man yun is papalitan daw. So yeah, so for now I'm gonna be using my iPhone for editing, for filming and editing. Or I'm gonna wipe or clean the inside by using the vinegar and lemon. I turn off the lights inside the fridge, and also I already washed some of the shelves here, so I'll be washing this one too, and also that one. Disgusting guys, sorry. And then this one too, pati na rin tong water. Yeah. At saka yung mga sa gilid din. And also our freezer. Yung mga bread, ang daming bread kasi naka-freeze lang din ito. So, lahat ihugasan ko. I'll be washing all this what they call this container, I'm not sure by soapy water, and some of the shelves also. Ngayon punasan ko na po ito. May gilid lang po dito sa kasi na hugasan ko na yung ibang shelves kahapon. So, just wipe out in the side areas. At linisin ko rin itong water. Look at this guys, disgusting. Yung sa taas na linis ko na, pero sa baba hindi pa. From there, so i-wash ko to sa sink by using salty water. So yung ibang vegetables may mga sira na, so inano ko na, tinapon ko na. So ito na guys yung freezer namin. Yan, tinanggal ko yung shelves dyan to wash by soapy water. Ito rin yung mga sides na lagayan. So, pupunasan ko to ng vinegar and lemon. Ayan, malinis na po. Ito na po yung nahugasan ko na. I already washed the shelves by soapy water. And in these sides too. So here's the after, guys. I put the food in some of them in containers. Yung vegetables, you can cover them with foil, but we ran out of foil already, so I usually cover the vegetables with foil because I found out that when you cover foil, it lasted longer. The vegetables or the fruits. That's the tips that I found out. And it looks fresh too. And some of them I put in a container too. Now I'm gonna clean outside. So guys, I'm gonna clean the outside now by using this multi-purpose cleaner. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, how I organize and clean my fridge and decluttering and all those tips that I shared to you guys. Especially those foods, like leftover food. You can put that in a container that it would last a bit longer, and then covering wraps. I only covering clean wrap for if I eat it for the next day. So that's what I usually do. And also the cleaning tips that I showed to you guys earlier, the cleaning products that I'm using for non-toxic ones like vinegar and lemon. So it might be stink, the vinegar inside the fridge, but it will not stay that long. You can put either the skin of the oranges, and then you put that in a bowl and you can leave it there, and it smells really good inside. So that's how I doing also. So yeah, so I'll see you for our next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel, and thank you for continuing supporting our channel. God bless. Bye bye.